says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The skies overcast, and I'm sorry.